Imagine waking up 10 years from now, looking at your bank account, and realizing you've already built a small fortune, while most of your friends are still struggling to pay rent. What if I told you that building serious wealth isn't about getting a lucky break or having wealthy parents? It's actually about 3 simple, totally achievable steps that anyone in their 20s can start right now. Here's a shocking truth. Your decisions in the next 24 months could determine whether you'll be financially free or financially frustrated for the next decade. And most people, I'm talking about 92% of young adults, are making critical mistakes that are silently destroying their future financial potential. You're probably thinking, great, another lecture about saving money. But this isn't about cutting lattes or living like a monk. This is about strategic, intelligent wealth building that lets you enjoy life now while setting yourself up for massive financial success later. Are you ready to stop watching other people get rich and start building your own wealth? Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. In this video, we'll dive into various wealth-building strategies that can set you on the right path. You'll learn about the power of compound interest, the importance of budgeting, and how to make smart investments. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of actionable strategies you can implement immediately to secure your financial future. Now, let's talk about why starting early is so beneficial. When you're in your 20s, you have a once-in-a-lifetime advantage. This unique advantage is time. Time allows your investments to grow exponentially through the magic of compound interest. For instance, if you start investing just a tiny amount each month, you'll be amazed at how much it can accumulate over the years. Even if you can only set aside a little now, it can lead to significant wealth down the line. Moreover, starting your financial journey early gives you the flexibility to take calculated risks. You can explore different investment avenues, whether it's stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. The earlier you begin, the more room you have to learn from your mistakes and adjust your strategies without the pressure of immediate financial obligations. In addition to financial benefits, building wealth in your 20s can lead to greater peace of mind. Knowing that you're taking steps to secure your future can reduce anxiety and allow you to focus on other important aspects of your life. You'll feel empowered to make choices that align with your values and goals, rather than being constrained by financial limitations. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around. We're about to explore the exciting world of wealth-building strategies that can help you thrive in your 20s and beyond. Step 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the foundational step in your journey toward building long-term wealth. A clear budget helps you track your income and expenses, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial situation. To start, it's essential to identify your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant each month, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. On the other hand, variable expenses can fluctuate, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. By categorizing your expenses, you can better understand your spending habits and identify areas where you might overspend. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, it's time to set financial goals. These goals will help you prioritize your savings and investments. Ask yourself what you want to achieve financially in the short term and long term. Do you want to save for a vacation, build an emergency fund, or invest in a retirement account? Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals will give you direction and motivation. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," you could set a goal to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car within the next year. This clarity will help you allocate your budget effectively. To manage your budget more efficiently, consider utilizing budgeting tools. There are numerous apps and spreadsheets available that can simplify the budgeting process. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even simple spreadsheet templates can help you track your income and expenses in real time. These tools often come with features that allow you to set reminders for bill payments, categorize your spending, and visualize your financial progress through charts and graphs. By leveraging technology, you can make budgeting less of a chore and more of an engaging activity. As you begin to track your spending and adjust your budget, remember that it's a dynamic process. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so reviewing and updating your budget is important. This practice keeps you accountable and allows you to celebrate your progress as you reach your financial milestones. Creating a budget is a crucial first step in building long-term wealth. By identifying your fixed and variable expenses, setting clear financial goals, and utilizing budgeting tools, you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances and paving the path toward a secure financial future. Step 2. Start saving and investing early. Once you've established a budget, The next crucial step in building long-term wealth is to start saving and investing as soon as possible. The earlier you begin this process, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. One of the first things you should consider is opening a high-yield savings account. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high-yield accounts offer significantly better interest rates, allowing your savings to grow more quickly. This is particularly beneficial for your emergency fund or any short-term savings goals. By keeping your money in a high-yield account, you can earn interest while still having easy access to your funds when needed. In addition to saving, it's essential to consider investing for long-term growth. One of the most effective ways to do this is by investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investment vehicles provide broad market exposure and typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. By investing in index funds or ETFs, you can benefit from the market's overall growth without having to pick individual stocks. This strategy is particularly advantageous for young investors, as it allows you to take advantage of market fluctuations over time while minimizing risk. For instance, this is a practical example of a $5 daily investment strategy that can help you build an investment portfolio that grows while you sleep. Let's say you're a 22-year-old barista making $30,000 a year. Instead of thinking you need thousands to start investing, you begin by putting just $5 daily into a low-cost index fund tracking the S&P 500. That's about the cost of a fancy coffee drink. Here's the math. $5 daily equals $150 monthly and $800 annually. If you invest this consistently from age 22 to 35, assuming a conservative 7% annual return, you'll have approximately $41,000 without breaking a sweat. But here's the magic. If you leave that money invested until you're 65, it could grow to around $380,000 without you adding another penny. This is the power of compound investing. Your money literally makes money while you sleep. In addition, these are practical examples of digital passive income stack that you can use to create multiple income streams without a second job. Number 1. Is photography your hobby? Upload stock photos to Shutterstock. Earn $5,200 monthly from images you've already taken. Number 2. Do you love writing? Start a blog with affiliate marketing. Recommend products you are using and earn affiliate commissions while sharing genuine advice. And 3. Do you have graphic design skills? Create digital templates on Etsy. Design once, sell repeatedly. Step 3. Educate yourself about personal finance. As you continue your journey toward building long-term wealth, one of the most empowering steps you can take is to educate yourself about personal finance and investing. Understanding the fundamentals of these topics will not only help you make informed decisions and boost your confidence in managing your financial future. The first step in this educational journey is to read books or take courses focused on financial literacy and investing. There are countless resources available, ranging from classic personal finance books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki to more technical guides on investing strategies. Online platforms like Coursera or Udemy also offer courses that can help you grasp essential concepts at your own pace. By dedicating time to learning, you'll build a solid foundation that will serve you well throughout your financial journey. In addition to books and courses, following reputable financial blogs or podcasts can provide ongoing education and keep you updated on the latest trends and strategies in personal finance. Many financial experts share valuable insights through their blogs and podcasts, covering topics such as budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Some popular options include The Dave Ramsey Show, Bigger Pockets Money Podcast, and The Motley Fool. By regularly consuming this content, you'll enhance your knowledge and gain different perspectives on managing your finances effectively. Networking with financially savvy individuals is another excellent way to expand your understanding of personal finance. Surrounding yourself with people with a firm grasp of financial concepts can provide you with valuable insights and tips that you might not find in books or online courses. Attend local financial workshops, join investment clubs, or participate in online forums where you can engage with others who share your interest in personal finance. These interactions can lead to meaningful discussions, mentorship opportunities, and even friendships that can enrich your financial knowledge. As you educate yourself, remember that personal finance is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's essential to find strategies that align with your unique financial situation and goals is essential. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that will positively impact your financial future. Educating yourself about personal finance is a crucial step in building long-term wealth. By reading books, taking courses, following reputable blogs and podcasts, and networking with knowledgeable individuals, you'll gain the skills and confidence needed to navigate your financial journey successfully. Your investment in your financial education will pay dividends for years to come. Conclusion. The bottom line is that every day you wait is a day your future self loses potential wealth. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight, it's about becoming financially unstoppable, one wise decision at a time. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. 2 paths stretch before you. Path 1, you keep doing exactly what you're doing right now. Same habits, same mindset, watching your dreams slowly fade as financial stress becomes your constant companion. Path 2, you take these 3 steps. You commit to a strategy that turns your 20s into a wealth-building launchpad, where compound interest becomes your silent partner, where financial freedom isn't just a fantasy, it's your reality. Here's the brutal truth. Everyone is 100% responsible for their financial future. But here's the incredible part. You have everything you need right now to transform your life. These strategies aren't complicated. They're not reserved for financial gurus or trust fund kids. They're accessible to you. The only question is, are you ready to become the architect of your own prosperity? And that is all for today. If you're hungry for insights that most people never get access to, please subscribe because we're just getting started. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care.